Kick right, kick right.
Good morning, good morning. Kasi ito yung mga kasali sa 360 canvas. Dami na po.
Alam niya kung saan tayo ikot. Sundan ko na lang yung
mga kasama natin, oh, ang gaganda, oh. Hey.
Send mo na lang yan sa WhatsApp, ma'am.
Yes.
Nabudol tayo. Ay, galing.
Iba.
Sabi ko, hinahanap ko
Yeah. So, waiting na lang tayo sa oras ng race.
Baka after
Okay, starting point guys. Tayo sa malalakas. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Yan o. Dami na natin dito guys. Yan, pakita natin sila. Nasa 200 na kaya mga tao na to. Wala pa, no? Wala pa. Pasok tayo lahat sa jersey. Wala pa sa 200 to. Pasok tayo lahat sa pa-jersey ni Mayor. Ride safe.
This is a very unique opportunity that you have. You are going to have full use of Abu Dhabi Corniche and complete safety as we have the support from the Abu Dhabi Police as well as the Road Service Patrol. Just remember the two critical points today: you must stay behind the lead vehicle and you must stay in front of the follow vehicle.
Pagkakataon ko na itong mag-video. Mabagal eh. Ayan o, Mamsi. Hey, ride safe. One, two. Diba?